Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BTS's BT21 baby Mang. So let's get started. To draw this cute dancing pony, let's first start by drawing its ears. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve all the way to about, say, this much. And then we're going to go straight down right here with a line. And then right here, we're going to start to draw the snout area. So we're going to go up nice and round. Let's keep going. So say about right here, I'm going to start to round it off, come down, nice and round, and then we're going to bring it in to about right here. Come in here, smooth this out now that I know how my curve is. Okay, so then from there, let's come right here. We're going to draw a straight line down, a small one, about right here. And so let's bring this down to the same level. So I'm just going to go right across, about right here. From there, we're going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line right across. There, we have the head in. Then from there, we're going to draw this snout area right here, the nose, and say about right here. It's as if I'm drawing half of a heart. I'm going to come out and in, nice and round. And come in here with a line right in this area. Or you can do this when you're coloring if you don't want it to be black. You know what, let's make this a little bit rounder. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to where the ears are. And about right here, I'm going to also draw a slanted line. And once again, if you don't want it black, you can just use a darker blue when you're coloring. Okay, so then from there, let's come in this area right here and draw a big circle for the eye. Nice big circle. And I'll come in here on this corner, draw another circle for a highlight, and then shade everything else in. There. Okay, so it's all coming together, right? So now to draw the mane, I'm going to come right here next to this ear, and I'm going to draw a big curve right here. That's the first one. And I'll come in here with a little slanted line right in the center. And then we're going to draw two more of these curves that come down to about right here. So once again, nice and big, just like the first one. And one more. And in. And once again, we're going to draw these lines. And see about right here. So slant these a little bit. And if you don't want the black, once again, you can just make it a dark purple when you're coloring. Okay, so then we have the head, and let's draw the body. So thank goodness the body is really, really simple. So let's come about right here. I'm just going to skip a little bit space right here and here, right underneath the head, about right there. And I'm going to bring a straight line down. And another straight line down, and about right there I'll find my center, say about right here, and I'll bring a straight line down. Then from there I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom here with a big curve, like two U's, and same thing over here. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the arm. So nice and simple. Let's come about right here. And we're just going to curve in. And same thing here. And curve in. There. And the last thing we need to do on this head part right here, we're going to draw this little curve from this corner. It comes out. And then this is the tail, right? So this little kind of fat little drop shape right here. There. And of course I'm going to add a heart right here so that I can make it my Draw so cute baby Mang from BT21 BTS. Okay, so that is all we're going to do for the drawing part. And now I'm going to come in here with some Crayola markers to bring it to life. So they're all done. I really hope you love how baby Mang turned out and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.